sa GMA News TV. Sev Sarmenta, Ivy, and Ann Remulla teaming up our broadcast trio para sa ating championship round ng Open Conference ng Shakey's Wheel League. Pakilala ko po sa inyo si Mariel Mariano. Mariel, smile Mariel. Tapos we wave si Mariel dahil may libre siyang pizza sa pagiging ating Shakey's Wheel League game, face of the game rather. 27 years old, taga Binyang, Laguna. So, ito na. 16:30 ng bilang natin. Dikit po ang laban na ito. Lamang ang Air Force. Labas.
Point goes to Air Force.
Mukhang nanakaw ng gusto magnakaw na isang set at saka na isang game. Ano? Kung sakaling magkatablahan at tapusin ng Cagayan mamaya, bibilangin yung number of sets kasi. Saka or kung tablahan sa sets, the number of points.
So, importante para sa Air Force to be able to get as much steps. Yeah.
At least one set make a difference. Or at least win a game.
Yes.
14-17. Samantala, ang Army sabi, huwag na natin patagalin ito. Bumalik tayo sa Port Bonifacio at mag-celebrate tayo ng ating pagiging bronze medalist sa conference na ito. Samantala, Cases, kargado. Wow, patay ang bola. Si Cases, nasubo yung block. Malakas ba pumalo?
Malakas. So you can actually, dito pa lang, I'm sure sa TV pa lang maririnig mo na yung sound ng bola, lalo niya live.
Pag binablock mo, parang kang dinadala ng bola kuminsan.
Yes.
Minsan, power ng hand din Samantala, kept alive on the Endro Semana. Humihigap at sumiset. Yonko is playing well.
Yonko doing the damage for Philippine Air Force.
And the Army wants to recall their troops back to headquarters. Rico de Guzman will probably have a lot to say.
Guys, nakita nyo yung score, nag-aabol tayo. Dapat pakita natin dyan, maganda yung receive natin, hindi tayo magtatapon. Miss-receive, tapos ibigay natin sa open. Gawa natin ang paraan, wag natin itapon. Kung sa block naman, napakabagal ng kalaban natin. Ang nangyayari kasi, mas mabagal pa tayo, sinasabihan natin yung bagal nila. Samantalahin natin yung kabagalan nila. Ha? Huwag tayong sumabay. Kailangan masanga tayo. Let's go!
Basta ako sa lahat ng timeout sa Shakey's Wheel League, babae ang may last say. Siyempre.
Kahit saan naman
Okay. Yes, ma'am. 19-14 ang ating bilang. Alam ko na isang araw nagkaroon ng coverage dito. Puro girl power ang tawag ni Mosi Rabene. Minsan susubukan namin si AJ, ako at saka si Noel. Kaming tatlo.
Ano naman?
All boys.
All boys naman. Boys night out.
Nice way of putting it.
Afternoon.
Yun, afternoon tea. Samantala, alarka, alanganin. Ay, nagawa.
Nag-alangan ng konti si Judy doon.
Iniisip niya, papaluin ko ba o hindi ito easy over ko ba? Natatawa silang lahat. It's family pieces, gotta be Shakey's. Minsan yung tension nung ngayon, kailangan itawa mo.
Yes, pero that's one thing I like about Army. Kasi sa mga games, makikita mo lagi, kahit behind sila, nakikita mo na dyan yung tawa.
Yes, yung attitude nila. Actually, I saw that when they lost to Smart, they were the first to applaud Smart when they ended that series. Oh boy, hello Tina. Rushing over to us, and that ball just died. It's now 20-15. Air Force bent on taking one set at least or stretching the series. Watch this. Huli, no?
Good block from Yonko. And you can see talagang nakatayo lang siya doon Taking her sweet time, tapos talon, block.
Yonko is doing a little of everything. Blocking, hitting the open set, open spike. In the meantime, that's kept alive. Tina Salak, pinadala sa kabila. Carolino. Siya halos tumapos ng first set kanina. Samantala, nandito si Cases. Malakas!
That's too strong.
Si Gigil. May pahid ng Gigil. Uy, pero taga mo. Net check ball.
Violation error called up
Against number 8, Gonzaga.
Yeah.
And something is amiss. The meantime, I see Dalia Cruz.
So we all know Dalia Cruz has been very key to one of the games of Philippine Army.
Against Smart, they were down 23-13 and they were able to stretch that series when Dalia Cruz just came off the bench. The meantime, Gonzaga, parang sa Tagalog mas magandang to. Humugot na si Rico de Guzman. Tinaas ni Nunag. Set. quick ni Alarca. Patay.
That was good defense though from Philippine Air Force. Ang ganda ng pancake save ni
Yes.
Wendy Semana ron.
Si Wendy, the whole range ng kanyang talents lumalabas, ano? Ganda rin ng feature sa kanya kanina. Tuwa ako napakita yung kanyang mahabang buhok nung nasa FEU pa siya nun.
Yes.
Yun yung unang taong
Oh, tapos ano pa yun, na medyo pasok pa yung dulo yung ano nun, ha?
Girlash
Yeah.
baga. Semana.
Yonko block, but the coverage was there.
Manzano. This is a tall lineup for the Air Force actually. Off the block. Sa kabila, hulog. Tinaas ni Salak. Gonzaga, jump set.
Base, drop shot.
Alam gusto
Oh,
pumalo!
good
Alam
block
gusto
from
pumalo.
Cruz, but that went outside.
Walang gusto pumalo. Lahat nag-uhulugan eh, no? Yung crowd natitidalate pagka may hulog-hulog.
Oo,
eh,
eh.
no? Gusto, uy, taas itataas. They like it pag nagpapaluan ng malakas, but they also love it when everybody nanggugulang. Mas madalis Tagalog eh. Samantala, Cases 22-16. Pagkakataon para sa Air Force, mga iuwi ito. Pero sa Balsa, iba plano.
That was good. The reception from Semana. A solid block from Ging Base.
Ayun na naman yung pump at saka yung ikot at sigaw ng ali.
So pag nakikita mo guys, sabihin talagang ano yan.
Tingnan nyo ito at diretso
Very
yun natin.
hype na hype po si Ging Base.
Kasi iba yung satisfaction ng block eh. Yung iikot, oh, huli ka. Sabay ikot. Iba yung satisfaction ng block eh. Kumpara sa spike. Iba
that's
talaga
true.
eh. Mahirap ipaliwanag.
Lalo na pagka yung naka-stuff block ka.
Aha,
Yun.
yes.
The satisfaction actually is more than yung pa naka-atake ka ng malakas.
Manzano. Caballero. The drop is kept alive. Well done by Gonzaga.
And once again, miscommunication na naman on the side of Air Force. Parang hindi sila sure kung sino yung kukuha ng bola eh. Kung
Oo
sino yung
nga,
dapat na
exactly.
defense.
Panoorin nyo. Ito yung nagkagulo sa kabila eh. Ganda nung set.
Because
Sige.
the attack wasn't really that strong. Kita mo yung panghihinayang ni Wemby tsaka ni Joy eh.
Ikaw, ako.
eh.
Yeah. Wala na. 22-18 ang bilang natin. Semana ang nag-set. Caballero, buhay pa. Salak, tinaas. Gonzaga, nagiging setter na rin. Balse, hello.
Ging Base now with a total of 9 points, 5 from attack, 2 from block, and 2 service aces.
And the Army is knocking at the door of the Air Force. 1922. Makinig tayo sa panig ng buong himpapawid.
Hulog sa likod ng blocker, inuhulog. Hindi, pwede mo lang dulo, pwede ka magdulo eh. Eh si Tina nandun na sa silong eh. Yung ba nakikita? Ilang beses ka nahulog na kinuha ni Tina? O, di ibig sabihin nandun siya. Diba? When? Wrong paraan. Ilang portion? Sa likod mo pa to.
Talagang buhay sa volleyball. Ano? Kung pagka may problema, punta ka sa veterano. Pwede, gawan mo ng paraan. What's this last play?
So this is a setup for Ging Balse. Dinrap lang niya eh, walang tao.
Ang laki ng butas sa
Ang
gitna.
laki.
No? Kung meron tayong telestrator, binutasan, kitang-kita. Ito, close range.
Actually, Yonko also could have a free hand over at that one.
Samantala, 22-19 ang ating bilang. Talia Cruz serving at 19. Easy pickup, Semana. Gagawa daw ng paraan. Yes!
That's a good combination play as well for Air Force. Actually, it is the same play na kung saan pumupuntos na ng Army sa Air Force.
Good point. Yes, indeed.
Diba? That was
Excellent observation.
Alarca and Gonzaga. Yung combination yun ng dalawa.
I like the way Yonko is playing here today. And you saw her in the timeout. She was also enthusiastic. Yonko keeping it in play. Pinasang bola. Caballero. Kinargahan ang palo. At look at this. The Air Force at set point.
Caballero off the block, and I think that the Air Force is utilizing yung strength ng Army doon sa blocking eh.
Yes.
Pa-check
Agree.
eh.
I agree. 24-19 set point as Yonko is serving.
Good serve. Good reception from Cruz.
Tingnan natin kung hindi na scoring chance, ano? Semana. Caballero.
Vallejo, but Bautista is there. Dali kay Bautista, who's blocked.
Isang net. Parang nag-away lang magkapit-bahay. Isang lakas
And
nito.
that goes outside from Caballero.
Lakas.
I think she was trying to aim for the back goal and
malinaw,
line,
no?
pero medyo sumobra.
Saka hindi makahingi ng check ball, wala man lang nakataklis doon sa bola.
Gonzaga at the service line for Philippine Army.
So sabihin ng Army, ayaw namin
And that is a service ace!
Yung mga kamiga si Javelin Gonzaga dito sa likod natin. Kumakatsura, ang sakit.
Sa pa daw.
Sa patay. Sa pabay, sa pa.
Sa pa.
21-24. Set point ito ha, pero hindi yung 24 ang nagsaserve. Tinaas. Hello, Joust.
The point is awarded to Army.
Tumama sa net si Caballero. 24-22.
Net violation called against the Ramos.
Katie Ramos tinawag. Saka Timo, umaalog pa yung net actually. Well, kung minsan nakampas na yan.
Sometimes it's the, well, could be the ball, could be...
Yeah. Well, Air
But,
Force not in the mood to argue. They're more interested in finishing it cleanly than arguing the point. They want to get a good receive here.
Back row from Yonko.
Yes.
That's
out.
outside.
Ooh, that's close. That's really close. Look at this. 1 point. Oh, boy. This game is rocking and rolling. 23-24. Are we going to extended points here? Let's find out. Tinaas, Semana.
We go to Caballero.
Ito, uy, ganda ng break ni Wendy.
Alam mo,
Kala
papalo
ko
eh.
papaluin na.
We go to Bautista, who is blocked. That was a block from De Ramos and Semana.
To the relief of Air Force. Kami ni, yung dalawang coach,
Oo.
nagsalubong sa kita, ayan sila, oh. Ano, magkakakilala yan. Sabi ko nga, magkikita rin sa Shakey's mamaya lahat yan. Ito po, panoorin po natin itong, I think this might be the last play. Tignan natin, bakbakan.
Yeah, it was De Ramos who had a block, had a hand at that. Last point for Philippine Air Force.
And the sets are tied at 1 apiece.
Ito ang Shakey's game.